friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make a very trending morning weight loss drink and detox drink. Very easy to make with a very few ingredients, so let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Today I've taken one cucumber, chop off the ends and chop them roughly. Cucumber is a very healthy ingredient as they are rich in antioxidants, low in calorie, high in fiber and has essential nutrients such as vitamin C and K. Apart from weight loss, it also keeps your bones, skin and hair strong. It detoxifies your body and keeps you hydrated throughout the day. Keep this ready. Then take 5 bunches of mint leaves. Separate the leaves from the stem. Mint leaves are rich in vitamins and minerals such as iron and potassium. It treats bloating and maintains blood sugar levels. It heals joint pain and swelling. Keep this ready as well. Add the chopped cucumber pieces to a blender. Wash and add the mint leaves. Then to this add 1/4 teaspoon of dry ginger powder. Ginger is a very healthy ingredient. It is loaded with antioxidants, fights against chronic diseases, reduces high blood pressure and good for your heart. This ginger contains gingerol which has powerful medicinal properties, can treat nausea and morning sickness, helps in weight loss and lowers your blood sugar levels. Now to this add 1 cup of water and blend it well. Then strain and add it to a mug like this. To this add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. You will need about half a lemon. Mix it well. This drink cleans your body and liver. This drink helps to lose 5 kgs in 5 days when you maintain a proper and healthy diet for the rest of your day. Now a healthy weight loss drink is ready. Drink this in empty stomach in the morning for best results. If you suffer acidity, then you can eat it 10 minutes prior to having this drink. Also make sure to have your breakfast after an hour to drinking this fat cutter drink. You can avoid this drink if you are pregnant or breastfeeding. Very easy to make and a very healthy drink. This drink a day boosts your immunity. So do try this fat cutter drink at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video. So please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.